Hello everyone. Welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show you how to save Instagram videos and pictures to gallery on iPhone or Android. This method working good for every device. No need any app for this, we can download all pictures and videos easily. So let's find a picture or video from Instagram wall. This is my Instagram wall. So I'm gonna save this picture. After select a picture or video, click the triple dots here and copy the link. Now open any browser and search download Instagram post online, or you can type this web address. This is the website we need to go. After open the site, we can see like this interface. Paste here we previously copied link. Then click download button below. It takes few seconds and we can see the picture or video we have seen before Instagram. Then click the download button. Now we can see the Instagram picture downloaded. If we are using Android mobile, this picture will appear in gallery. But if you are an iPhone user, we need to save this picture. To save this, open the downloaded picture, click share icon, and click save. Now we can see the picture in the gallery. So this is the simple trick for you created. Comment me below, is it work or not? Subscribe me for more tricks. Thank you. See you again.